Hi guys, this is Vishal from EV Vish. So today what we're going to be looking at is replacing the original Tesla badge, silver one, with one of the black ones that we provide. So when you receive the kit, you'll basically have a microfiber cloth, it's an adhesive remover, fishing line that we're going to use later on to kind of cut off the original adhesive behind the badge, and then your new black Tesla badge. So you should, with all of these tools and a hairdryer as well, you should be able to do the installation. So we're going to start off by heating this badge up with it. I'm using a hairdryer here. You can use a heat gun, but just be careful not to apply too much heat on the paint directly, as you can damage it. But basically you're trying to just warm this up so that adhesive becomes a bit more softer and will be easier for when we cut it out. So once you've heated the badge up, what you want to do is get a bit of masking tape to help align the new badge for when we put it on. So basically I'm going to start from the tip of the T and then basically just have that stuck there, and do the same for the top and the other side. And for the top one, what we want to do is just line it up so it just touches the top. So that would be fine. Great. So using the fishing line that's provided, we're basically going to use the fishing line to basically cut the adhesive from underneath this top part here. So what you want to do is get your fishing line, put it just underneath the thing, and then now just work your way along and just cut off the adhesive. Oops. That should come off there. And then you want to do the same thing for the T badge. So using the fishing line, just start cutting off the adhesive. So if you come around that side, you can start just side to side. What I'll do is just go around the other side. But what you want to do is pull up. You want to try and go away from the car's bodywork. Whoops. Just be careful it doesn't fling off like mine. And that should leave the adhesive back, which you can then start peeling off. So this adhesive, this adhesive that's left behind, you can start just kind of using your finger to take it off. It's just held by like the sticky tape, usually the double-sided tape. So watch out for some finger burns. So once you've rubbed off as much of the glue as you can there, what you want to do is use the adhesive remover, which you get here. Just spray some over the glue. Just kind of soak that in. And you can start wiping off the glue and it should come off. So now that you've wiped all the adhesive off, just basically wipe down the card surface, and when you take out your badge, you'll notice this like this. It's on a 3M backing tape, so you can take the T off and then take off the top part. Oops. Just like that, and you'll have your two parts. We're basically going to start with the T. So what we want to do is, before we take that off, we want to line the T up, and we want the T to sit exactly where our markings were. So it's going to be something like that, which will be perfect. So ready to do that. So take the tape off the T from the back. Once you've taken that off, what I'd say is start from the bottom. So if you have a rough idea, once that's there, then line the top sides up. So don't put too much pressure because you don't want it to stick just yet, but line that up there and there. It's not right, I think that's just about right. And just push firmly down once you're happy with where you've stuck it. Okay. So that's fine. Then we're going to basically do the same for the top bit. So what we want to do is just line that up so that the top touches the tape at the can be a bit fiddly, but basically you just want to line that up so nah, it's not going. You can peel it off, just be careful. Just a bit more to the left hand side. I think that's about right. Yeah, that looks right. So once you've done that, push down on everything. And that's your installation done. So now we can remove the tape off. And that's your installation done.